नाउ वी हैव शिवराम जी, रिटेल गुरु, जो अभी हमारा जो आज का हाउ टू मेक अ हैप्पी न्यू ईयर ऑफ 2021, और इन्होंने ऐसे अभी से ऐसा हैप्पी न्यू ईयर 2021 का इतना अच्छा पोस्टर लगाया है। तो लेट्स सी अभी क्या लोगों का इंटरेस्ट जगता है और क्या हम ये बताते हैं और क्या हमारे क्वेश्चंस ये आंसर करते हैं। ओवर टू यू शिवराम जी।
Okay, thank you very much. Actually, when I was listening to Sudhanshu thanking all of you, I suddenly realized we are all 5 S's.
ओके
Starts from Sayam, Sahil,
ओके
Sanjay,
ओके
Sudhanshu, and me.
ओके
And to welcome and thank you to everybody who is also a yes and from A to Z. Right. So I think once again I would really thank GJC for the opportunity to once again come back and share my thoughts about how to grow our business. Ultimately, like I've written in my logo also, right? एक्स्ट्रा धंधा सबको चाहिए, लेकिन वो सिंपल फंडा से होना चाहिए, राइट? सिंपल फंडा, सिंपल आइडिया से ही आगे बढ़ सकते हैं हम। और इसके बारे में बात करेंगे कि हमने ये हैप्पी न्यू ईयर इज रियली 21-22, right? So we are about 3 weeks away roughly, and what I thought was it's a good time to plan for the future, right? And that's really where I'm explaining. Like I said, this is the invitation that most of you would have seen. Where I saw commonality really is, one side there is Labam trying to help us to, become more aware of what's happening. हम है कि थोड़ा knowledge लेके आके हैं, और आप लोग भी है, तो हम the common intersection is what is bringing us all together here today. Just a brief background about myself. My name is Shivram. I work with Titan and Tanishq Jewelry for almost 20 years across multiple roles. I started this company called Retail Gurukul in 2012, which is almost 9 years now, to help businesses. Because what I was really learning working with these large company really was that, this is applicable to everybody. ऐसा नहीं है कि only big companies can, can benefit from knowledge. Small companies, medium companies can also benefit. And I've always been saying that, extra danta from simple ideas, right? You'll probably experience that as we speak today. We have worked with almost 600 clients across India, Dubai, and Vietnam. And we have trained about, me and my team, we have trained about 15,000 people, staff, front-end staff. Something interesting which I'll keep sharing, maybe you should also maybe take some photos, but there is something interesting at the end of the day. Because of COVID, and even before that, I've always been a very big fan of the internet. And today we are actually available on 11 channels. So that's something which all of you should, whether you are a karigar, whether you are a wholesaler, whether you are a retailer, right? You must be available across as many channels as is required by the consumer or your buyer. In fact, not only, I would say the whole ecosystem. So instead of showing you all the 11 channels, for example, there is a smaller summary like a mobile number. You can just create your own contact, and that comes under a new software which is coming around. It's called Linktree. You can go there, create your own, and then share this one single link to everybody. It covers most of the 11 channels. Some, of course, it's not possible on Linktree right now, but this is how you should be in a position to. Because the advantage with this Linktree is you can change others, but this particular Linktree Retail Gurukul will be constant for everybody. I would like to now, formally start off this presentation, right, with a couple of questions actually. First and foremost, I would like to, though I'm aware, right, आप please बता दीजिए कि आप लोग wholesalers, manufacturers, supply side से हैं या buying side से हैं. आप retailer हैं या आप, mostly I'm looking at suppliers as in karigars and wholesalers, and suppliers too, and the second group is the retailers. Just tell me whether you are a S for supplier, R for retailer, so that we will modify the presentation based on the response, right? And please change the this one if you have not yet done to everyone. There is something called panelists or something like that. And right, Jai Shri Ram says retailer, Dibanshu says retailer, VKJ retailer. Please, the faster you do, the more we have to share. Okay, so I see lots of retailers. Sahil says supplier. Now, second question, and I'll keep asking these questions the faster you ask. And we have learned from Amitabh Bachchan ji, fastest finger first. देखेंगे suppliers fast है या retailers fast है, right? And इसके साथ थोड़ा मेहनत करना पड़ेगा, right? हमारा air conditioning room में बैठ के थोड़ा मेहनत करना पड़ेगा, right? आप कहाँ से हैं? Where are you from? So that, you know, I'll also try and mix a little bit of, you know, English and Hindi, mostly English. Right? Mumbai, Delhi. Okay. You need to be faster than me. You are, I think, about 70, 80 people and I'm one person, right? So the faster you are, the more you will get. Third question really is, majority are in, you know, or let's say retailers, but it doesn't really matter. Tell me what is the color of the business you're in today. When I mean color really is, you know, are you happy with where you are? Then you please write down green. March के बारे में बात करेंगे so that we can take it further to 21-22, right? Tell me how is it also going? How do you like this kind of a conversational tone? आप बता दीजिए कि आपको पसंद आ रहा है, नहीं आ रहा है, right? And tell me whether you're in green, whether you're in yellow, whether you're in red, right? So Rahul, my colleague, is typing those questions also, right? So some people are saying green, some people are saying yellow. Okay, now for people who are saying in yellow, I want you, that's a very comfort zone, right? And the whole purpose of this program really is to really get us out of comfort zone. So if I remove the yellow color, right, आपके पास खाली दो ही होता है, वो है कि वो red हो सकता है या green हो सकता है. अभी बता दीजिए कि आपका red है या green है. Right? I know that it will be yellow. That's the reason why I'm asking you this question, right? आप yellow निकाल दिए तो आपका red होता है या green होता है? अभी, you have to tell about today. Today means, let's say March. First 11 days or 10 days, 9 days. First 9 days का situation क्या है? So people are saying green, green, green. Okay, so a lot of you are very happy situation, right? Now the next question is, if you are already typing green, 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 right? How do you see next year, right? All of us want to be in green. Now I will remove that, you know, simple answer, right? मैं पूछ रहा हूँ कि आपको अगले साल कैसा दिख रहा है, right? Does it look to be somewhat reddish, somewhat yellow, somewhat red? What is your sense? Next year, N bolke you please type so that I can see some people, you know, responding to my new question, right? New year, next year, how do you look it should be? Right? We all want it to be green, but going the way next year green. Okay, fine. Somewhat yellow. Yeah. Okay. I would, in this particular case, if I am sitting as a businessman, while I would like to be optimistic, right? शिवराम जी आप कुछ भी बोलो, हमको green ही चाहिए. मैं चाहता हूँ बहुत कुछ, लेकिन मेरा requirement ये है कि मेरा company का business मालिक हो के मेरा expectation ये है कि I plan for, I hope for green, but I plan somewhere between a red and an yellow. That is the way I have always taken my stand. I say, listen, what happens if the worst happens, right? I'm prepared for that, you know, mentally, but I always hope and act, you know, on a cyclical basis. And in my mind, you know, it's technically coming on a month, right? So my request to all of you is, you know, I plan conservatively, but hope optimistically, right? So I hope I'm clear with this. If I'm being able to explain it adequately to you, please type okay, clear or not clear, right? Plan conservatively, execute aggressively, so that if something downside happens, I have a safety net. COVID ऐसा safety net है, right? So I have a safety, COVID vaccine ऐसा safety net है, लेकिन बाहर भी जा सकता हूँ, मास्क डाल के जा सकता हूँ, हाथ धो, you know, I can wash my hand. So I'm prepared for all that thing, but there is a security that I want to build. I want to plan. Yeah, right. So plan aggressively, but plan conservatively and execute. Okay, right. The same thing, right? Now is the tough questions, right? Why did you select a green or a red or a yellow? Please give me one or two answers, right? Are you saying, have you done, if you're typing green today, right? Because lots of you said, we are in green. Some people, I think, said yellow. Very, very few people said red. I really want you to ask yourself, like to like, kgs में आपका फरवरी या मार्च का नंबर अगले साल एक साल पहले का ज्यादा है क्या? See, these are the questions that you should really be asking. We should really looking at the gold value. Gold value is really not in our control, right? So like to like, if you did 100 kilos or 10 kilos last February to this February, I don't know whether you're doing really March 10 days example versus last March. Now you tell me whether you are in green or red or yellow. So now you see we are getting deeper and deeper into the question. These is the questions that we all need to ask ourselves, right? If I did 100 kilos of sale in the month of February 2020, right? Because COVID had not yet hit. This year, February, did you do 100 kilos plus? Yeah. February 21, is it better than February 2020? We'll not really get into March because I think we started hitting the COVID early March last year. Because I remember March 6th, I was in, I think, Nagpur or something like that. And we were hearing the problems of COVID at that time, right? So now tell me, what do you think? Is it red, yellow or green? Or I don't know. Even that's a good answer. I have not really measured. I don't remember what was in February because, pura zamana ho gaya. You need to be fast, okay? February 21 is really bad as compared to February 2020. Okay, so now the answer we start seeing is, listen, it's not all that nice that we would, it's like Facebook, right? We all liked it to be only the beautiful portion of it. What you don't know really is how bad let's say my office is, right? Not very organized. So that's really what I want you to do. My request to all of you is, even if you don't, you can type something here, that's fine by me. But my request to you is, I've asked you once, paper and pencil leke, honestly, please write TG. Write it down, write down saying that I honestly don't know, or I honestly know that it is red color, because this is some kind of a self-discovery. I'm trying to attempt a move towards a little more clarity in the way we work, right? Dipanshu Bola says, I don't know. Jai Shri Ram is saying red. Come on, so many of you, please type. Right? The faster you get, the more we will get out of this meeting. Compared to last year, how am I today? Red, yellow, green, right? It doesn't matter what you type here. You can still keep writing yellow, yellow, yellow. But on paper, please do write down what do you really think, right? Yeah. So we are all, Facebook, right? So we think we are okay. Pata nahi sir, dekhna padega. Correct? So my request to you is write down this question saying that I don't know. So the question was, how am I compared to last year? After this meeting is over, my request to you is, please pull out the data, write down saying that I'm really in red or yellow or green. Yellow is 1 to 1, 100 to 100. If you're 1 gram below 100, you are in red. If you're 1 gram above 100, you are in green. Okay, right? Please type yes, if you're clear what I'm saying. If you're not clear what I'm saying, please type not clear. I'll try and explain again, because there are many of you, right? I need to move. Okay. Now the more challenging question. Actually, I was reading something and I said, the book says we are all going to live 120 years, right? COVID, no COVID, maybe another COVID sometime in the future, but there is already people living to 90s and 100s. Now, the question really is that if you are all going to live up to 100, 120 years, and for me, I just did 60 years, 60, 61 years. So I got another 60 years, 50% of my life ahead of me. Now, am I planning for the next, if I were to ask you, right, how many of you plan for the next 30, 40, 50 years? Or how many of you plan for the next 10 years? How many of you plan for the next 5 years? Or the simplest question, how many of you have planned for 21, 22? From a business point of view. I don't know about your personal life, but from a business point of view, can you say today that you have a written down plan? Have you got a written down plan for 21, 22? because 21-22 is less than 3 weeks away, right? If you have not written down the plan, please type no. Go back to your pen and paper and write down saying that to create a plan for 21-22. And we have a reason why we are putting this together, because I was talking with the Labam team of Siam sir and everybody. We are trying to get through to a step-by-step process, right? This is the overview. This is the helicopter view, as they call, right? So please type down fast, right? We need more number of people to respond, right? If you have not done, say no, right? If you have done, say yes. If you have not yet done but want to still type yes, please type yes. But the point I'm saying more realistically is write down on your notebook saying that ye karne ka. 20. I'll show you some early steps as to how to prepare the plan. But no. Only one person is saying yes. Okay. There are lots of you, some more people. And this is, there's a very new word that I've learned recently. This is called as a lean-in method of participation. Netflix देखना बोले तो, you can go back. It's called lean back type of entertainment. This is a lean in, right? वो mobile phone में या laptop में या iPad पे type करने का, right? And this is something which will go directly into our brain, saying that हाँ ये काम है, ये काम है, ये काम है, right? Please, some more people. One more. The plan for 21-22, is it written down? Now the next major topic, right? If it is written down or not yet written down, tell me how many of you want to be happy? This is a very simple question, right? In fact, the answer is very obvious, but I still want you to type happy, right? Yeah, everybody, right? Nice, thanks, right? I'm pushing you guys, right? The reason why I'm pushing you is because of my own learning recently, right? There is something in the space for subconscious mind. The more we are able to, write down something, enter something, it enters into our mind much better, right? So if you have not yet done, in fact, there is one red color, no, right? So there are still many of us want to be happy, but some of us find it difficult to execute. So my request to you is, please type it, please write down, yes, I want to be happy, so I will create a 21-22 written down business plan, right? That's really where we are heading towards. Good. Yes, how is it going so far? Please type 1 or 2 words. How is it going so far? Nice. Dipanshu says yes. Thank you. Anybody else? Some more people, please. Competitive but good. Okay, the future will be competitive but good. Okay, good, fine. So now the question really is why I have put this book, and we have something else also going forward, is what has got us here so far, right? Is not going to get us in this 21-22, because coffee could change ho gaya, right? And I won't get into the reason, but generally we'll say COVID has changed the world. So this is an old book, but my request to you is, get to read some of these things. So current scenario is what got us until COVID. And if you see the whole thing, we are somewhere in that yellow and red space, right? But we want to be in the green space going forward. But we need to do something different, because what got us here won't get you there, right? Now I have one, if you do a lot of these seminars, you will understand, if you are inside a conference room, maybe you made the effort to come to this conference room, so इतना आसान से नहीं जा सकते बाहर, लेकिन इंटरनेट माध्यम से ऐसा हो गया है कि आपको ये पसंद नहीं आया तो आपको बहुत सिंपल चीज है कि इसको बंद करके चले जा सकते हैं, करेक्ट है? तो how do speakers like us try and hold you back? We try to hold you back by giving you something interesting, right? So what we are looking to give you, right, is really, if you hold on until the end, and maybe I'll put one more condition now, ask at least one question, you will get a free gift at the end. Something interesting, but that is something which is food for thought. right? How many of you are interested? Let me hear that. How many of you are interested in this so-called free? It's not very big, but I think more useful um, to your business, right? How many of you? How many of you are interested in something like this? Yeah. Okay. Jai Shri Ram says yes. Sahil says yes. Okay. Very nice. I'm very excited, very motivated to continue. Okay. Cool. Okay. Now, seriously, thank you so much. Right. So, congratulations. Nice going. You guys have been doing a good job. You would like to do more. That is the reason why you're here. And I always appreciate people who take time off to come to these kind of seminars. One additional point, which I had originally not planned, but which comes to my mind is, please make this 2 o'clock, let's say on Tuesdays, as your learning out. I would personally prefer that every day at 2 o'clock, आपका watch पे आप एक time reminder रख लीजिए. 25 minutes, please spend time learning something new, which is related to your business. Not necessarily some Facebook cat videos, right? So please let's think about it, Sahil bhai, Sahil ji, and everybody. Let's see how we can create this 2-hour learning, 2 o'clock learning hour on a daily basis, right? Monday through Friday, if we are able to do, then I think we can take the entire industry to a completely new level. Why is it that we won't get us there? What is it that has happened that we will not change? That, that won't get us where we want to go, which is next year's green. Market has changed because of COVID. Consumer has changed. Whether we agree, whether we like it, whether we don't like it, doesn't really matter any longer. Consumer's mind today is, I want safety, I want security. Can I get something, sitting in the comfort of my office, home, whatever it is, right? So thank you, Jai, right? So consumer's mindset has changed. Business environment has changed, right? The Sensex, sorry, there's a spelling mistake. Sensex is at 50,000. And there's cheap money. There are some countries where we, as a account holder, has to pay the bank to keep my money in savings account, right? We have to pay. In India, it has not yet come there, but we have to pay the bank to keep our money in the savings account, which means there is so much money going around in the world. So now it is our responsibility to build something to last, right? Now, how many of you would like to build something that will last? Please, let's hear that. These are all your questions, which I'm sure you're writing down. I want to build something to last. Right? Sahil says, yes, I would. Everybody, come on. These are things which is going directly into your business plan. This is the oral version plus what I call as a scribbled version of the business plan. By end of tonight, if you really spend, right, you should have a version 1 of the business plan. Because lots of people said, I have not yet written down, I have not yet written down, I have not yet written down. I'll give you these steps which will help you to create a business plan by the end of tonight. That's my promise, provided you're willing to work. How many of you are willing to do that? So write down, yes, I want to build, right, a business that lasts. Okay, only Jai Shri Ram, I couldn't understand what you mean by can't opine, but anyway, let me know a little more in detail, right? So we all want to build a business that lasts. The question is, please teach me, how am I going to build? I am a big fan of Nadal, and I saw this photograph a couple of weeks back, I think, and I saved this photo. If you observe this photo properly, Nadal is actually sweating, right? And I just checked out what is Nadal's net worth, right? I think he's something like 1,600 crores, right? At 1,600 crores, honestly, he doesn't need to sweat. But here he is, morning till evening, he is practicing, going and competing, maybe lost in Australian Open, but coming back and practicing. Because he is building a legacy of himself, right? So in the same, whatever is his goal, right? He says, I want to become the best human being or a great tennis player, whatever it is. But he is sweating it out. Now the question to all of you is, right? Again, it is written in this book, Built to Last. We need what is called as a BHAG, Bhag goal. Now, how many of you have this big, audacious, scary goal in your mind? Like if I'm one store, I want to become 10 store. If I'm doing 100 kilos, I want to do 500 kilos. Today, 500 kilos may be looking very, oh my God, right? Kaisa ho sakta hai? That too in today's world. But if I say that, no, this is my big, audacious goal. इसीलिए बोलते हैं big, hairy, audacious goal. Right? Please type how many of you have got this scary goal. Yeah, somebody made this point. He said, if you go and tell somebody that, you know what, I want to do this, and if somebody doesn't say, "Arey, ye kya baat kar rahe ho?" It's a crazy idea, then it is not crazy enough. You understand the difference? If you go and say that I am going to do this, and if the guy doesn't say, "Arey, you're a mad fellow," then it is not scary enough. And I'll give you my personal example. I was in Titan and Tanishq for 20 years. I went and told people that I'm going to resign. People said, you're a mad fellow, because it had so much of risk when I left the comfort of a job to start up on my own. Right? That was very scary at that particular point of time. So in the same way, today it looks very, very small. You know, today if you ask me, was that a very big, audacious goal? I'll say, no, it was not a big, audacious goal. But at that point of time, after having worked 30 years, to quit a good job in a company like Tanishq to start up on my own was clearly a big, hairy, audacious. So my request to all of you now is, another action point is, write down a big, hairy, audacious goal. That is what is going to achieve, let's say in 2020, 21, 22. How many of you agree? I will write it down today. You may not be able to write it down now, but I would like you to write it down today. How many of you are willing to make an attempt? Don't worry if it is not the perfect answer. Come on. I will write, BHAG. I will bhag. Please write down. I will write down big, hairy, audacious goal. Yep, Sahil, you're the fastest. All of you. This is how you will build your business plan today. Start with I will bhag, and then we'll fill it up during the day. Come on, some of you, some more. Rajiv, Sanvi, Sahil, Kumar Jain, Sayam, Abdul Nasar, Vishal. I should start calling names. Amarpal Singh, Haji, Sanjay Agarwal, WD, Sis, Kalpita, Parshuram, Ritesh, Rajiv, Jai Prakash, Mitesh, Vishal, Mani, Tanmay, Suroji, Namaskar, Harshu, Dinesh, Aniket, Jagdish, Deepti, Venkat, Anthony, J, Rakesh ji, Namaskar, Dipanshu Bola, Namaskar, VK ji, so and so many of you. Really. It needs to be that. Right? Like I said, Ashish ji, Namaskar. Right? Praveen Bhai, over. Apurva, Rajesh, Ravi, thank you. All of you. Very nice. Right? So we now have this crazy, scary stuff. Achhi hoga or nahi hoga, wo baad mein dekhenge. But now you have a goal. Somewhere saying that, okay, my God, you know, he might say, I want to win all the 4 Grand Slams. Is it possible? Yes, possible. Has it happened in the past? No, it has not happened. To achieve 4 Grand Slams, kitna mehnat karega? Pasina aa jata hai, roz. Correct? Fair point? Okay. Now one quick feedback. How is it going so far? Vastupal ji, Ajay Sonar, Sanjay Agarwal, all of you. Thank you so much. Some more people. Okay, fine. So I have this crazy, scary goal. Now, what I need to fill or achieve that scary goal is October or Diwali to December 2021, start with something like that. Did I have a plan versus an achievement? I'll currently, because we are in a platform like this, just go back and say green, yellow, or red. Because October to December was a good period because there was a lot of pent up demand, lot of people came and bought. October, November, December, I did 100 kgs of sales compared to last year, which was 2019. October to December, how much I did? Did I do 85? That became 100. So I'm in green. No, I did 100 to 100, yellow. No, sir, I did last year 100, but this time I did only 75. I'm in red. Okay. Now you're getting a hang of this red, yellow, green. All right. I have been telling this same thing. This is the way to write down your goals for faster success. This is again something I read recently, listening to an American speaking about it in the middle of the night. I had to get up in the middle of the night and listen to him because that person comes at that time. 42% likely to achieve if your goals are written down. Now you understand why I've been saying, please write down, please write down, please write down. Now just type 42, 42, 42, 42. So you are getting an incentive to say why I will sit maybe 1 hour after this meeting and start creating my BHAG Bhag version 1. Bhag version 1 will happen before maybe 5:30. Right? Thank you, Suroji. Right? That is required because this is a study. You can go back, cross check on the net, whether it's 42 or 32, doesn't matter. But the study says, yes, there is a 42% chance if I sit down and write down. And just 10 minutes back, we agreed that we don't have a written down goal. Written down Bhag goal will increase 42% chances of achieving the goal. How many of you like that kind of a learning? If you like that kind of a learning, please write down yes. Cool? Very nice. Now the point in simply saying that Bhag. What is a Bhag goal? Oh, you know what? I'll say my Bhag goal is to go from 100 kilos to 150 kilos. Bhag goal should also be a SMART goal. What is a SMART goal? This is a SMART goal, right? All of you can see the SMART goal? If you can see the SMART goal, please type yes. Right? Okay, right? A SMART goal has to be specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and time bound. What does that mean? I want to achieve 150 kgs a month sale. Is it specific? Yes, it is specific. Is it measurable? Yes. Whether you achieved 150 in the month of March 2022 or not, you will know on 1st of April. Is it attainable? This is very important. You know, somebody can say, you know what, I'm doing 20 kgs and I want to do 150 kgs, right? It's nice. I also want to, you know, there's a lady who is running the Golden Quadrilateral. She's actually running 4,500 kilometers she has run. I also wish to run. But is it realistic for me? Is it attainable? Probably. But if you're at 20 kgs going to 150 kgs is attainable? हो सकता है, but मुश्किल, बहुत मुश्किल. But if I'm 110, 120, 150 हो सकता है क्या? Probably yes. If I'm at 130, can 150 happen? I would say definitely yes. Is it stretchable? Is it exciting? Is it bhag to go from 130 to 150? Probably not. 100 to 150? Yes, it's a bhag. Is it a stretch? Yes, it is definitely a stretch. Attainable, realistic and time bound. So 1st of April, अगले साल आपको मालूम हो जाता है कि भाई हमने 150 किया या नहीं. Okay? Understood? Right? SMART is understood so far. SMART Bhag is understood. Please type SMART Bhag. SMART Bhag. Or SB. SMART as in SMART goals. BHAG is SMART Bhag. Okay. Nice. Okay. Right? Sanjay is saying SMART. All of you are getting it, right? So far, so good? Okay, right? Now let's move to the next one. Smart हो गया, भाग हो गया. Now is the how to plan this smart bhag, right? I've taken a roughly a 10 years horizon. You can start with 1 year if you want. I've clubbed 19, 20, 21, right? Here are some of the metrics which will make it smart and bhag, right? So my request to you is, I'll explain this and I'll give you some time. This is the version 1 we are asking. Let's use the word financial metrics, right? आप turnover पकड़ सकते हो, profit पकड़ सकते हो, reserves transfer to P&L account पकड़ सकते हो. You say I have 100 units in 1920 or 1920, 21 or 2021. Next year I want to become 120. Third year I want to become 150. But in 10 years down the line I want to become 2.5 times. Number of stores. अभी हमारे पास 3 शोरूम है, अगले साल हमने एक खोलना चाहते हैं, अगले साल 22, 23, 5 and then maybe in 10 years time I want 20 stores. Business from new channels. Abhi almost zero. Actually I could have, for most of us it is not even 0.01, it's 0.00001. But I want 5% of my business or 10% of my business to come in the next 2 years, 3 years, 5 years. Customer satisfaction, right? This is something which I'm always been explaining, not measured in most places. Just I want to ask this question. How many of you tell me you are measuring customer satisfaction? आपने कितने इसमें 70, 80 people are here. Please tell me how many of you actually measure customer satisfaction. Type yes or no. So if you are not measuring the customer satisfaction, if you're measuring, very nice. If you're measuring yes, then where is it today? Where do you want to go forward? I'm doing at 7 or 8, I want to go to 8.5 or 9. So if I want to go from 7 to 7.5, right, tell me how will I go through. That is the phase that you need to work. Similarly, stock turnaround, right? How many of you measure your stock rotation? Come on, all of you, the rest of you are not responding. Either you switched it, put on the computer and went off somewhere, or you are not entering. Yeah, so you're measuring the stock rotation. So if you're measuring all these things, then it is fine. If you're not measuring, say no. Value addition charges, right? What is my current stock value addition? Like Sudhanshu was saying, you are between, let's say profit is between 8 to 15%, right? It may not exactly translate to value addition, whatever is your measurement, right? What is the, in my language, it's called throughput. आप कैसे भी बोलो, value addition बोलो, profit बोलो, net profit बोलो, gross profit बोलो, right? Numerator minus denominator, A minus B is equal to X. Whatever is your definition, right? Now, if it is 10% today, and if I'm doing 3 stock rotations, I'm getting 30% margin. The 30% per year, I want to go up to 45%. That's the way to measure. Okay? How is it going so far? How is it going so far, right? Now we come to this big question, what I started off with. Now we have got some bhag hai, goal hai, examples hai, right? Yes, sir. Now we want to know what are these great opportunities. हमको तो चाहिए 150%, right? Market is large, getting organized, so easy to scale. Consumers are open to experiments, especially youngsters. Digitization is here to stay, and those who adapt only will succeed. I wanted to put adapt only. Government is supportive of business growth. Money is cheap. So these are the opportunities. Now, I've explained to you, but I'll just give you 1 or 2 examples further. Financial metrics, you need to sweat your assets. Number of kgs of inventory, I mean, just to give you at an India level, we have got 1 lakh crore of inventory that is kept in our locker on a daily basis. आपका उसमें ले लो जे आपका 0.0001%, 50 crores हो सकता है, 100 crores हो सकता है, 150 crore या 15,000 crore हो सकता है. How can I improve the efficiency, which is really my favorite topic? How can I improve? Because if you say the margins are small, the only way to improve my profit margin is really through stock rotation. Then you can take these points: gross profit, net profit, take home profit, inventory profit, whatever is your mission, and then a monthly profit and loss account. Next, I explained again that time how many stores are required to achieve your goal. Will it be company owned? Will it be franchise? If you are a wholesaler, incidentally, right? I want to ask one simple question. How many clients do you have, and what is the turnover per client? Many people will tell you, oh, you know what, sir, we've got 300 clients. But if all the 300 clients are, 0.05%, then neither you are dependent on the client or the retailer, nor is the retailer dependent on. So you need to work a mix, which is the time and effort that is spent in having multiple small clients versus having at least 30, 40, 50% of your business coming from 4 or 5 large clients. So you are able to deliver to their satisfaction. They are dependent on you to get what they really want. Today, they are not dependent. If you have 0.5% of my turnover, then I am not dependent on you, and you are also not dependent on me, right? So it's I use the word Indian marriage versus Western marriage, right? So if in Indian marriages, hopefully we are all married for good. So in the same manner, you need to figure out how can you create an Indian marriage kind of a relationship with your clients. Then you need to work around, how many categories are you servicing today? Not just gold, but within gold, not just bangles, but bangles plus earrings plus pendants. Incidentally, I found this as a new category, right? It's actually a fashion jewelry. Arm bands is something which I don't see too many fine jewelry brands offering this category. Surely maybe there is a space to create. If people are willing to wear bangles here, maybe they are willing to wear bangles here or armbands here. The point is that it's up to us to exploit this example. Now, and look at this, right? I just picked it up on the net, and it is a sold out category. Forget about us introducing. Whoever was the vendor of this fashion jewelry should make sure that the product is available, right? There is some customer who has purchased, and you can't be putting a photo and saying that, the product is sold out, right? Same is the case with our dependence, or I call it as an over dependence on wedding wear. Today, 50% of the business in the industry is supposed to be coming from wedding wear, right? Well, what happens to the daily wear segment? Is there a daily wear market with more and more people, staying at home or working from, smaller distances? Maybe there is not so much of big fat Indian weddings that are going to happen. Maybe there will be more intimate weddings. We don't know how that whole market scenario will change as we go forward. What do we know really is the market is generally changing all over the place. Cool? Okay. How is it going? Come on. Some more feedback. Same is the case with new business channels, right? Very little is happening on the online space. Maybe you're in one city, maybe you're in multiple cities, maybe you're in tier 1, tier 2, tier 3, maybe you're in north, maybe you're in south, whatever it is. This is all part of the plan. If you don't have this part of the plan, then, there is a famous story about, I forget that, the girl was asked, which, she went into a rabbit hole, and the rabbit asked, where do you want to go? So the girl said, it doesn't matter. So the rabbit said, then whichever road you take doesn't really matter. So if you don't have this, and if it is not smart, and if it is not bhag, right, then it doesn't really matter, right? So you need to do this. If you're a wholesaler, if you're selling only directly to retailers, should you be in exhibition? If you are only in exhibitions, would you even consider selling to retailers? If you're selling in Bombay, sitting from one place, would you want to sell it in another place? There are no right or wrong answers. Depends upon occasion to occasion, place to place, but it's for you to figure it out. I explained about customer satisfaction. I talked about, this is an interesting story, right? How many of you like that picture of the hen and the golden egg. And I like one statement which I read recently. He says the hen is only useful if it lays golden eggs. If it doesn't lay golden eggs, then the hen is not really useful. So if you are all sitting on golden furniture, and if the stock rotation is not happening, and what I call as golden furniture, if you are sitting on golden furniture and if your stock rotation is not happening, then the furniture or the golden jewelry or diamond jewelry, polki jewelry, whatever it is not really, really useful. Same is the case on value addition. I won't take it further there. Okay. So, sorry, I think, okay. Now I want to show you something very, very interesting. I hope you can see this, hats which I've got, right? These are actually, I attended a program, right? These are all the 6 thinking hats. My request to you is, you should actually go and take out these books, right? And I promised you some free gift, which we will talk about. There are different ways of, wearing these hats and thinking. There's a thinking process, right? So for example, what are the benefits? What are the benefits of opening up another store? What are the benefits of working with a new retailer? Then the red hat says, or the feeling says, you know what, it looks very nice to work with a new retailer. And hence, for example, how do I get to work with a new retailer? So each of these really is an opportunity. So you can think through, it's a beautiful book, and I consider Edward de Bono as a genius in the world, whom I had an opportunity to meet. This is the way you start thinking. Here is my big, hairy, audacious goal. इतना बड़ा है कि मेरे को डर लगता है. But ये अचीव करना बोले तो मेरे को अलग hat पहन के सोचना पड़ेगा. It's not always that everything is bad. It's not always that everything is good. It's not how do I judge? Am I becoming very emotional? Emotional के बारे में बात करना बोले तो very simple. We are all somewhat emotional with our jewelry. हम melt नहीं करते हैं क्योंकि अरे सर ये कैसा होता है, हमने मेकिंग चार्ज दिया है, मैं खुद मटेरियल को सेलेक्ट किया हूँ, मैं कैसे मेल्ट कर सकता हूँ? Because you got emotionally attached. This is even more if you are a little bit creative and you have created that piece, right? And the last, which incidentally is something I saw it for the first time, is a violet hat, which is the owner's hat. How committed and how invested are you as a team leader, right? This you do it yourself, you do it with your team, you do it across multiple teams, depends on the size of your business, but how clear you are and how objective you are. हमारा personal interest थोड़ा बाहर रख के इसको पूरा business के बारे में सोचना पड़ेगा. Okay. Now here is a quick 5 minutes exercise. What I would like you, how many of you have got a pen and a paper ready? You got another 10-15 minutes to close, right? If you got a pen and a paper ready, please type yes. Yeah, all of you. Now you can't escape. Ajay says yes, Vastupal says yes, Samit says yes, Sainul says yes. All of you, please. Some more. So quickly get a pen and a paper. So what I want you to do when you've got a pen and a paper is really this, right? I have created this for you, right? What I want you to start thinking now is, I just wrote down saying that please open a 1,000 square feet store next to my office here in Bangalore, but jokingly write down this, what is this opportunity? This is a new opportunity. What's a new opportunity? An online business is a new opportunity. What is the problem? The problem is maybe I'm not measuring my customer satisfaction. Because I'm not measuring my customer satisfaction properly, maybe I'm not in a position to solve, or I don't know correctly what is the reason why consumers are not buying it. They're buying. I'm not saying they're not buying. If they are not buying, then none of us would be in the business. But वो 50-60% pass marks मिल रहा है शायद आपका customer satisfaction. लेकिन हमने अभी इसको एक भाग गोल बना दिया तो उस समय मैं बोलता हूँ शायद मेरा दिमाग में ऐसा है या मेजर कर रहा हूँ कि मेरा CSAT है वो 8 है, उसको 9 लेके जाने के लिए मेरे को क्या करने का। मेरा पास अभी खाली हमने मुंबई में काम कर रहे हैं, हमको बेंगलोर BTM लेआउट में दुकान खोलने का है, ये बहुत बड़ा एफर्ट है, राइट? हाउ विल आई डू? Suraj Chandra, I think, is here, sir. He is there in, let's say, in Calcutta. He wants to, let's say, go to Kerala. Is it part of your business? Is it worth going? Is it a scary, audacious go? This is my stock rotation. Today, I want to grow by 0.5%. Whatever is my number. If I'm 2, I want to go to 2.5. If I'm 3, I want to go to 3.5. I want to go to 4. Right? What I would like you to do is, there's still a gift coming in. So for people who have stuck around so long, there's a gift coming in which will summarize all these things. But my request to you is take few minutes, write down 1 or 2, even if you're not able to do all the 6 or 7, because this is how we will create the version 1. You have the goal at the top, write down 3 or 4 points, both in green color, both in red color, right? And then once you are done, in the next few minutes, please type done, done, done. Let's see whether we can get a few responses. And for people who want to ask questions, this is the time to start also to think about it or write your questions. So I'll give you about 3 minutes. Okay, is it agreed to everybody, or you want me to just continue? You can just type agreed or not agreed. Yeah, so please type it. Yeah, I hope you are writing it down. And we'll go to the next. Once I have the first person who types down, yes, I've completed this version 1 of my Bhag goal, I'll move to the next few slides. It's actually the last few slides. Yes, close that and open the presentation. Let's see how many more slides in. 3, 4. I can minimize. Timo? Okay, good. Haji, for those of you who have not really been interacting, right, I want to ask some questions. How is the session so far? You have any questions? रितेश, राजीव, जयप्रकाश, राकेश जी, राजेश जी, नमस्कार, रोकड़े जी, मितेश, जगदीश, अनिकेत, दीप्ति, बीकेजे, विजय, जय ज्वेलर, धर्मेंद्र, मनोज, अजय, प्रवीण भाई, thank you all of you. Ninad, Sunil, hi Sunil, Samit, Nilesh, Ninad. Okay, very nice, very nice. Okay, right. So did you guys make an attempt? Let's move. Attempt किया तो ये लिखो, attempt ही नहीं किया तो no लिखो जी please. Done? Okay, very nice, very nice. Yeah, थोड़ा good start. How do you say? Whatever you have written down, yeah, tried, very nice, right? Good start. Version 1 बोल सकते हैं हम लोग. Sample piece. Very good, very nice, very nice, right? Now that you have this this version 1, right? Now you know how to roll it with your version 2, right? Version 2 is you get your team, explain to them, saying that आप कहाँ जाना चाहते हो. You can technically start from your lower most salesperson, right? He may be familiar with 2 clients. If he's a wholesaler, if he's a retailer, showroom में he may say, sir हमको खाली chain के बारे में मालूम है, मैं 2 chain बेचता हूँ. Okay, अगले साल कितना बेचना चाहते हो? Sir मुझको पता नहीं है. Okay, so you can start supporting and encouraging them, right? There are no right or wrong answers, but then you start by saying that, okay, you know what, 2 से 4 जाने के लिए क्या चाहिए, 2 से 5 जाने के लिए क्या चाहिए? सर मेरे को थोड़ा माल चाहिए. और क्या चाहिए? नहीं सर मेरे को ये इसके ऊपर प्राइस का प्रॉब्लम है, या ये डिजाइन नहीं है, ये नहीं है, वो नहीं है. So if you start putting these things, this will come as a problem. So chain category, I want to grow from 2 chains per day in this one showroom, in this one counter. I want to go into 5 chains per day from this salesman in this counter. So it is a tough goal, it's a bhag goal, but at the end of the day you are in a position to move to that level. Okay, cool. Okay, so now we are open for questions and answers, and I'll give you just a quick summary. What we want you to do is really this: create a bhag goal, create this kind of a template which is your version 1, right? How many of you agree that you will do it by end of the day? Please type कर लीजिए कि today. Yeah, create a bhag goal, create your action plan today. Yeah, Sanjay ji says yes, VK ji says today, Sainul Abid says today. All of you, if you have been here with me for so long, that is the minimum that you need to commit to yourself today. आपके लिए. Suro ji, namaskar, thank you. All of you should write. I said, right? That is when you will start working on version 2 tomorrow onwards. Okay. Now I'll give you one request. I have a request for you. Please go to Google or please go to Facebook. You will type Retail Gurukul and kindly give us a rating. I'll wait for 2-3 minutes. Then I will also talk about the free gift, and we are also open for questions. So that's really the summary for today's session. What I said, while some of you will hopefully give me the feedback. Please, whatever you feel, if it was a good session, please type it's a good session. It is a 5-star rating. We are at some 4.7 and 4.5 out of 5 on Facebook, right? This is another interesting thing as to how you can get it from your clients. One of the things that I learned really was this, right? Ask your customers for feedback. And if going online is one of your bhag goals, this takes a lot of time and effort to build. If you build these kind of ratings and if your service quality is good, consumers will come back to you, clients will come back to you. Today most people will see who you are, what is your rating, before they begin to shop with you. James Bond aisa, your reputation precedes you, Mr. Bond bolke, right? Before the consumer comes to you, she has figured out, are you a good retailer, bad retailer, good wholesaler, bad wholesaler, kaisa hai reputation, maal kaisa hai, ye sab malum ho jata, right? So my request to you is, use this as another learning. Get your customer satisfaction, get your customer ratings as part of your system, in this part of your bhag goal. It's not going to be easy. Let me tell you, salespeople getting a feedback form will always find it difficult because they're not very sure, they are not bothered, they're only interested in the immediate sales process. Okay, now we are formally, opening the session for a question and answer. I had promised you a free gift. What we have done is, some of you invariably asked for a Rahul, right? Some of you asked a copy of the presentation. So what we have done is, this entire presentation is available to you for a free download. All you need to do is take a photograph of this, and if you click on the link, right, it's anyway summarized as Gem and Jewelry Council Labham workshop, right? Will one of you post that link on the chat box, right? I will also post that link on the chat box. In the meantime, if you have any questions, we'll open up the questions. The presentation is there. You can just download it, log in to that link on InstaMojo. It's a free download and you'll get the entire presentation. So you can use this presentation as a way to improve on your version 1 and create the version 2, right? So while we'll wait for, for some of you to take the photographs, we'll post the link on the, Haji Rajesh, 1 minute. Right, we'll post the link on the chat box, and you can. The link is there. If you click on it, it will go to the InstaMojo page. I'll also put the mobile number in case the link doesn't work or something like that, right? And you can reach out to us. And we'll open it up for question and answers. With that, in the next maybe depends on your question and answers, the session will come to a close. My question is, how much is an ideal stock rotation for a 2,000 square feet store in a 2-tier city? Rajesh ji, the answer is like this, right? There are people who are doing maybe 2 stock rotations in a 2,000 square feet store in a tier 2. For me, the tier 2, tier 3, tier 1 does not matter, right? There are people who are doing 2 stock rotations, 3 stock rotations. There is a client of mine who has achieved 4 stock rotations. The answer really is, what is your current stock rotation, right? If the answer today is your, let's say, 2 stock rotations, what was your rotation? Forget about this financial year, go back to 1920. What was your stock rotation? तो शायद वो भी 2 हो गया. Then 2 is not good enough, right? Then you can say, okay, listen, I want to do 2.1 this time. Then I'll say, wo bhag goal nahi hai, right? It should be 2.25 or 2.5. That is a bhag. If you're at 2.5 is a bhag goal, right? If you're at 3.5 in a good market, then I will say 3.75 is a bhag goal, because we have been able to reach up to 4. So I'm coming from that explanation, right? So if you are at 2, whatever may be the size of your square showroom, which I believe I have seen that and we met in your place, 2 to 2.5 hona chahiye. I mean, it is definitely possible. 3 तो होना चाहिए, नहीं तो इतना मेहनत क्यों करने का? Okay. So if you're asking for how much stock to keep, I will go back to mera भाग का goal, right? If I am at 35 kgs, yeah, let's assume I'm doing 3 rotations, I'm at 105, right? Now, what is my bhag goal? My bhag goal is, let's say I want to do 150 kgs of business. Now, if I want to do 150 kgs of business, वो 35 kgs से 155, 150 चाहिए, तो मेरे को 5 या 5.5 rotation चाहिए. वो थोड़ा मुश्किल है. So by putting in 15 extra kilos, can I achieve 150 kilos? But the cost of that 15 kgs should give me that 20 or 25% margins. That is also a trade-off. मेरे को 35 kg से 150 kg मिल सकता है क्या? That is my target. But वो नहीं सर, वो बहुत मुश्किल है. तो 135 से मैं 120, 125 कर सकता हूँ, लेकिन 150 नहीं हो सकता. Can you please elaborate on how to plan conservatively? What does conservative planning include? Conservative planning is, I'm not sure. मेरे को 1920 का, not 2021, 1920 में मेरा पास, I just use राजेश जी का example, मेरा पास 35 kgs था. 35 kgs से मैंने 105 kg किया. 2021 wash out है, लेकिन वही 35 kg का not value, quantity. 35 kg से मैं दोबारा 105 kg करूंगा. That for me is conservative planning, right? Now, if I'm not going to invest anything further, but having planned for 35 becoming 105, I want to become 125 with the same 35 kgs, right? That I will say is, I would still say 120, 125 still realistic. 140 is a bhag goal. 105 to 140 is a tough goal, right? But 105 to 105 is running in the same treadmill, right? You're running, but nothing is much happening. You're not really moving. Maybe you're losing some weight, but technically, they say if you're running on the same treadmill, you're not distance. You're not really running. That's what I would convert that as a conservative plan.
Ninad, we can have questions asked like verbally also. Chat भी जरूरी नहीं है. आप allow कर दो. जिनको questions पूछने हैं वो अपना hand raise करेंगे और फिर अपना question भी पूछ सकते हैं. जैसे बीच में काफी बार कर रहे थे. हाँ, तो राजीव जी का कुछ क्वेश्चन है तो वो भी पूछ सकते हैं. राजीव अरोड़ा जी का है. अगर वो अभी हैं इसमें चैट में तो देख लीजिए. तब तक शिवराम जी मैं आपसे एक क्वेश्चन पूछता हूँ. जिस तरह आपने बेंचमार्क रिटेल का बताया है, एक होलसेल के लिए क्या बेंचमार्क होना चाहिए बिजनेस का? किस तरीके से आपके लिए आइडियलिस्टिक वे क्या है? मतलब whether it be the stock wise, whether it be the staff wise, whether it be the marketing wise, like what is your ideal visualization or conceptualization of a wholesale goal?
I mean, I get your point. So I'll start from the top. Okay. I forget about the bhag goal. Bhag goal is slightly, let's say, level 2, right? I'm just looking at a level 1 kind of a goal. Level 1 kind of a goal is that, listen, today I'm working, most wholesalers I have met will say I'm working with 200, 300 retailers. Okay. Now, then I ask them that a traditional retailer is making, let's say, 3 rotations. That means once in 4 months, he is in the market for buying material. Now, the next question to you is, out of your 300 retailers, how many of them are buying from you on a quarterly basis, right? Every 4 months, not quarterly, actually once in 4 months. Once in 4 months, आके उनका stock requirement आपने necklace बेच रहे हैं, earring बेच रहे हैं, whatever it is, right? If you have got, say, 2% of his inventory, and I'll continue to use Rajesh Ji's example. If he has got 30 kilos of inventory, for example, and if he buys 3 kilos from you, he should be buying 3 kilos every 4 months. So that is at the consumer level. Second question that I would want to ask again from your point of view is, which is the, I will call it as a bhag goal. As a wholesaler, and I'm a very fussy retailer, sorry to push that point. Most wholesalers have identical stuff, right? वही chain बिकता है, वही necklace बिकता है, वही बिकता है, वही बिकता है. Now the question to all of you is that, you know, when I come, you are trying to push that generic item onto me. Sir, ye bhi le lo, ye bhi le lo, ye bhi le lo, ye bhi le lo, ye sasta padta hai, ye sasta padta hai, ye sasta padta hai. This wahi le lo, wahi le lo, wahi ye sasta hai, ye sasta hai, I can get it from 10 other retailers, 10 other wholesalers. Question is, how are you able to differentiate? You have to differentiate either in terms of service, in which case his 3 kg purchase from you should go to 4 kilos or 5 kilos. In which case, am I going from similar examples from 100 kilos or 105 kilos to 125 or 150 kilos? So what is the metric that you're going to use will determine what I will prepare myself for. In fact, my own business guru says, you tell me how you will measure me and I will tell you how I will behave. Aapko khali, and I'm taking a very extreme example. If I'm a wholesaler and if my boss tells me, Shivram ji, aapko khali stock rotation pe humne aapka measurement karenge. Then what is the most commodity driven product in the jewelry space? Let's say maybe chain, machine made chains, right? Sir, aapko 12 rotation milega. Kitna margin milega? Maybe 2%. Are you happy with the 24% margin? So I'll say, no, I'm not happy with 24% margin. I want say 36% margin. But what machine made chains पे 2% के ऊपर बहुत मुश्किल है जाने का, क्योंकि the moment you say from 2% I will change it to 3% of your margin, there is another wholesaler who says नहीं सर वहाँ 3% क्यों देते हो, मेरे को 2% में मिल जाएगा. So then you have to start differentiating not just on the stock rotation but also on the margin. So it really depends upon what is your measurement. And for me, if you really ask me, even though I'm giving you multiple options, for me, the measurement is really net profit. Net profit, and I understand where we all come from, net profit, not just in terms of rupee value, but also in terms of, inventory value. In fact, one more point which occurred to me after hearing, Sudhanshu is, in your list of risk factors, right? Where is here? This risk factors. आपने gold hedging यहाँ लिखने का है, right? If I had not mentioned this, gold hedging will not be part of your risk factors. And for that, the answer from my side at least is very simple. How much you want to hedge is up to you. But the point is hedging a part of the strategy itself? A lot of people whom I know, retailers, don't have a hedging strategy, right? Because of which the profitability is always dependent on the gold fluctuation. If you are a retailer, at least some portion of your profitability should really come from retailing. Maybe if you are willing to take the risk, it can come from gold fluctuation, gold price fluctuation. Those are the points. And the same thing is applicable to wholesalers. So metric, I keep going back and saying that what is your metric? Sahilji, hope I answered that question.
Yeah, it was new insight, and probably, it can help thinking how to, have a wholesale trade in a different vision, and definitely there's few addition to it. Like net profit भी आपने एक बताया, and जो आपने बोला ना, that how you differentiate, even if you're selling a generic item, so how do you differentiate? Probably it is the service, or it is probably even in a generic product, if you could have a better finishing, for example, in common parlance, what we say, it can make a difference. And definitely understanding in a wholesale trade how we, how good a retailer connects to us for his regular purchase, whether after 2 months or 1 month, how good we connect to him.
I will give you a very simple example, and I've raised this point also. I'll give you. It's probably a feedback. You just take GJS or any exhibition. I will use it as the word, right? In our jewelry exhibition, where there's a 50% retailers and 50% sellers, right? What is the kind of service we are offering to that retailer to buy from us? Correct? Even as simple as that, right? Today, I come in the morning, I'm quite, by the time I get in, it's some 10:30, 11, 11:30, 12 o'clock. I need to go all around for the next 2 to 3 days, right? And by lunchtime I'm quite tired. I really don't have a place to sit other than maybe the canteen. The canteen is crowded. I get out of the place, I eat some food. Now you look at it, here is the buyer who is, a group of buyers who are probably buying hundreds and hundreds of kgs. Now, if only we can improve that customer service at that point of time, I'm sure he is a happy customer at the end of the day. If he is happy, obviously, most happy customers buy more, right? So like that, if you start looking at point by point by point by point, I think there is huge scope for improvement. Same is the case with the retailer. The retailer, I'm keeping a nice, beautiful showroom, right? And the consumer comes. How does she come? She may come in a car. She may come in an auto. She may even come in, walking in many places. What is the treatment we give it to her when she comes in, right? Many places, even a cup of cold water can become a challenge, right? या चाय पूछेंगे क्या, आप लस्सी पूछेंगे क्या, या ठंडा पूछेंगे क्या, right? What is the kind of customer service? What is the kind of smile that is given? When I do my staff training, I teach all these things, right? Is there a welcome when the consumer comes into the store? I mean, just to take the Darban is an outside security guard. Usko lena dena kya hai? So he'll open the door. Is my welcome a great welcome for a lady who's spending 2 lakh rupees? So if you start looking at each of these nuances, right? And if I'm a happy customer coming into the place, then I think I will be more than, nobody is wasting time today. So if I'm coming and giving a great service, and I'm just taking Zaveri Bazaar, right? Maybe, there's a customer who has come in the morning to Zaveri Bazaar. He has got 5 places to meet. Of course, he'll meet all of you. You will all give me chai, coffee and all that stuff. But maybe I want to rest for 2 hours. I don't know where to rest for 2 hours. Because at home, he is a Maharaja, right? The owner is a business retailer, is a Maharaja. At 12 o'clock, 2 o'clock, maybe he goes home, eats lunch at home and comes back. So these are the nuances that each of us can build into our system. And each of them will help strengthen the business. In fact, the reason why I offered to do this really is, I think there's so much opportunity. Whether you're a retailer, whether you're a wholesaler, whether you're a karigar, each of us, if we can, join our hands together, right? End of the day, what is our common interest? The common interest is, can I increase my net profits? Whatever is the word we use, net profit is what I will say. So each place, if we start plugging in the inefficiencies, I think the sky really, honestly, sky is the limit.
Well said, Shivramji. Very well said. And any other question, please, you are free to ask, so that आपका भी कुछ जो भी डाउट है क्लियर हो जाएगा. Please free to ask. अनम्यूट कर सकते हैं, निनाद का अनम्यूट यू.
आप हिंदी में भी बात कर सकते हैं.
हाँ जी, हिंदी में बात कर सकते हैं आप. निनाद, any more questions? कुछ questions हैं अभी?
नो सर, एज ऑफ नाउ तो चैट में भी नहीं है कोई क्वेश्चन.
सुनील जी कुछ पूछना चाहेंगे? सुनील पोदार जी कोलकाता से कुछ कहना चाहेंगे?
सर, आज मैं देख पाया, मैं ग्रुप रीड ज्वाइन किया, पर मैं फेसबुक और वो नोट कर लिया है. आई विल डेफिनेटली गो थ्रू द थिंग.
ओके
संजय भाई.
सर, मेरा एक क्वेश्चन है.
पूछ लीजिए.
मैं आए? गुड आफ्टरनून सर. सर, माय क्वेश्चन इज दैट कि नॉर्मली ठीक है, एक रोटेशन, एक 2 से ज्यादा का रोटेशन हम लोग करते हैं, दैट इज गुड, बिजनेस इज गोइंग ऑन गुड कंडीशन. बट मेरा मिनिमम स्टॉक और मैक्सिमम स्टॉक हम लोग ने क्या मेंटेन करना चाहिए? क्योंकि अभी इन्वेंट्री काफी ज्यादा हो गई है, काफी ज्यादा वैल्यूएबल होगी, काफी रेट बढ़ गया है. तो मिनिमम इन्वेंट्री हमने क्या करना चाहिए जिससे कि हम लोग 2 टायर सिटी में एक कॉर्पोरेट को टक्कर कैसे दे सके, उनको एक मतलब कॉम्पिटिटिव मार्केट में किस तरह से हम लोग अपने आप को प्रेजेंट कर सके. जैसे कि हमको कोई चीज अगर मेंटेन करनी है, स्टॉक मेंटेन करना है, तो किस चीज को कितना हमने रखना चाहिए? क्योंकि ओवर स्टॉक भी रखते हैं तो इट इज जस्ट डेड. गोल्डन फर्नीचर जो आप बोलते हैं हर बार.
आंसर इज कि मेरा कन्वर्शन क्या है, राइट? ठीक है, मेरा कंपटीशन है बड़ा. आप बोल सकते हो कि मेरा बाजू में एक बड़ा दुकान है, उसके पास I'm just giving an example, maybe 100 kgs, right? लेकिन आपके लिए वो बड़ा है, लेकिन आपका छोटा नेबर के पास वो बोलता है मेरे पास 5 kg है, राजेश के पास 50 kilos है, correct है? So there is no end to comparison, and my point is don't compare.
Okay.
What is more important is that आपका conversion क्या है, right? मेरा 2 मिनट मेरा एक फेवरेट है, शायद आपने सुना तो,
हाँ,
ये
पता
मेरा
है।
इन्वेंट्री है,
Yes.
करेक्ट है? ये 33% आपका पुराना माल है,
Yes.
इसीलिए वो रेड पे है, करेक्ट है?
Yes.
66% शायद क्लीन स्टॉक है।
Yes.
Okay. आपने ठीक से मेजरमेंट किए तो अभी हमारा पास एक कंप्यूटर सॉफ्टवेयर ड्रिवन वॉक इन कन्वर्शन भी है, क्योंकि हमने सब लोगों के साथ बात करके 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 थक गया हूं मैं किसी से पूछे तो बोलते हैं सर मेरा पास 90% कन्वर्शन, राइट? मैं पूछता हूँ कौन बता रहा है, सर मेरा सिक्योरिटी वाला बोलता है, राइट? सिक्योरिटी वालों के लिए आपके पास कितने लोग आते जाते उसको क्या लेना देने का है, राइट? तो और किससे पूछोगे? मैनेजर के पास। मैनेजर क्यों बताएगा आपको ठीक का नंबर? वो बोलेगा सर 85-90% है मेरा, क्योंकि मेरे को डिफेंड करना है ना। मैं 66% बोले तो आप क्या पूछेंगे? शिवराम जी क्यों 66 है? मेरे पास 50 किलो का स्टॉक है। तो मेरा इजी एक्सक्यूज क्या है? सर मेरा तो 80 So then I go back and say measure it correctly. Then I explain that आपका conversion 66% है, 33% नॉन कन्वर्शन है, लेकिन आपके पास 33% पुराना स्टॉक है। मैं एक पैसा एक्स्ट्रा डालने के लिए नहीं पूछ रहा हूँ, एक पैसा, 1 ग्राम नहीं, 1 पैसा। तो आपने ये पूरा नीचे वाला 33% है ना, हमारा स्टमक के बाजू में फैट है ना, उसको निकालने का, एक्सरसाइज करने का, right? So if you remove this 33% fat from the system, logically आपका 66% conversion 75-80% हो सकता है।
Exact.
Makes sense, makes common sense. So I think that go back and build a better inventory. आप भी बताइए आपको 35 या 50 चाहिए क्या? नहीं चाहिए मुझको। मैं बोलता हूँ आपके पास 33 kg का स्टॉक है, इसका मतलब है 33%, इसका मतलब है 11 kg, 11 kg का पुराना माल, इसका मतलब है आपके 2000 स्क्वायर फीट का दुकान है, इसका मतलब है 660 स्क्वायर फीट वेस्ट है, because only 2/3 you are efficiently operating, 1/3 is inefficient. ये 35 kg हो या 2000 स्क्वायर फीट हो, 2000 स्क्वायर फीट means 700 square feet is a waste filled with golden furniture. Only thing is that golden furniture is across all 2000 square feet. If you push it to one side, put a diwar, no, wall is diwar, right? So put a wall, and then I don't need 2000 square feet. I need only 1400, 1300 square feet. थोड़ा ड्रामेटिक है, लेकिन आपने मैनेज किए तो आपको ये 33% नहीं चाहिए, क्योंकि वो गोल्डन फर्नीचर है। So rather than saying that whether I want to add 15 kilos, if you ask me, I will first manage that 11 kilos. Now tell me, if I remove that 11 kilos and give you good 11 kilos, आपको 33 kilos अच्छा काम करता है। अच्छा काम किया तो आपका 66% कन्वर्शन 75-80 होता है, 100 तो छोड़ो जी, 80-85 तो होना चाहिए, क्योंकि अब कौन वैलिडेट कर रहा है? आप तो नहीं कर रहे हो। ट्राई, स्टार्ट विद दैट। आपका भाग में लिखने का है बोले तो लिखो। मैं खुद कंप्यूटर के सामने बैठ के आज 2 हफ्ते तक मैं मेजर करूंगा। You come back and tell me if you are 85 and 90%. Because if it is not 90%, हम इतना पसीना निकाल के इतना पैसा खर्चा करके कस्टमर को अंदर लेके आ सकते हैं, इतना मेहनत करके कस्टमर भी नहीं है, वो प्रोस्पेक्टिव कस्टमर है। And the same is applicable, Sahil, for any wholesaler also. Right? Yeah, I'm just using retailers because I have a little more coming from a retailing background. But if I'm coming to Zaveri Bazaar, if Rajesh is coming to Zaveri Bazaar, he can buy 6 kgs, 10 kgs, 12 kgs. At the end of the evening at 7 o'clock, has he purchased 100% of his requirement? No. Because from after meeting 6 people, 8 people, 10 people in Zaveri Bazaar, he has not got everything in his list. Khali hai, abhi bhi pending hai. Only we have managed to give him all his 100%. Then he is happily going back. Then he is able to convince that 66 to 85% consumer in his showroom. It's not that he doesn't have the money. Right? We are not like the mobile industry where a credit card leke humne mobile phone kharidne ka. Hamara 95% of the customers coming with Roka. Right? So that really is the huge opportunity. Big. हमारे inefficiency को निकालने का बस उतना ही करने का. I mean, since he's saying so much about inefficiency, I use my favorite. हमारा industry का turnover 3 लाख करोड़ है. Right? राकेश जी saying 2 rotation. मैं बोलता हूँ 3 rotation ले लीजिए आप. इसका मतलब है 4 महीने में every day 1 lakh crore of gold and furniture we are putting inside. Small money. आप ही बताइए, आपके पास 1 लाख 33 kilos में 11 kg is dead inventory every day. Right? हम सोचते नहीं.
Very
go down the counter and see how many product will not even come out in front of the consumer.
Yes. And also there's an interest burden to it. Interest factor.
Yeah, 5 lakh to 6 lakh interest per month.
Correct. So I was telling one of my clients that you're going to the bank, folding the hands, taking money. पैसे लेके आ रहे हैं. And the only argument अभी तक है कि सर गोल्ड का भाव बढ़ता है. वही है ना सिंगल आर्ग्यूमेंट हमारे पास. वन सिंगल आर्ग्यूमेंट क्या है? सर गोल्ड का भाव बढ़ता है. अभी गोल्ड का भाव भी कम हो गया. वो भी नहीं बोल सकते कि आपका गोल्ड भाव बढ़ता ही रहता है. ओके, एनी अदर लास्ट क्वेश्चन?
वास्तुपाल अंकल जी कुछ बोलेंगे क्या?
संजय भाई
संजय भाई है इधर, बोलिए.
मैं सुनील पोद्दार. संजय भाई सॉरी फॉर द डिले. आज मैंने काफी लेट डिले किया क्योंकि मुझे एमएसएमई मिनिस्ट्री में सेक्रेटरी के साथ मीटिंग थी. तो मैंने उनका नोट कर लिया है फेसबुक अकाउंट नंबर और वहां से मैं देख लेता हूँ उसको.
नो प्रॉब्लम. ये बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग सेशन रहा और हमको काफी
नोट ज्वाइन कर पाया. बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग सेशन था. सॉरी मैं नहीं सुन पाया आज पूरा.
नो इशू. और इसमें क्या इन्होंने ऐसे बताए हैं, सॉल्यूशंस बताए हैं और ये इन्होंने ये भी सोचा है कि ये सॉल्यूशन हम फॉलो अप करें. मतलब फॉलो अप करके उसका खुद ही अपने आप रिपोर्ट कार्ड बनाए कि भाई हमने जो इन्होंने अभी प्लान बनाया है.
इट वाज अ वेरी लास्ट ज्वाइन करने काफी इंटरेस्टिंग था. वेरी मिस किया आज. फिर भी मैं नोट कर चुका हूं उसको. एक बार देख लेंगे. थैंक यू साहिल भाई. वेरी बहुत अच्छा रहा इसका पूरा मीटिंग.
वंशपाल जी, रंका जी आप कुछ बोलना चाह रहे थे. आपका कंजर्वेटिव मतलब
तो शिवराम जी, हेलो, एम आई क्लियर? हेलो.
Yeah, you can go ahead.
शिवराम जी, मेरे को पूछना था, व्हाट इज गोइंग टू बी द फ्यूचर ऑफ स्मॉल एंड मीडियम साइज रिटेलर्स? अगर आप देख रहे हैं अभी कंपटीशन इतना बढ़ रहा है, उनका इन्वेंटरी लो है, हॉलमार्किंग कंपलसरी है, स्टॉक लेवल्स कम. तो हाउ डू दे compete with चेन स्टोर्स, रिटेल, नेशनल स्टोर्स? तो ये एक बहुत बड़ा इशू है इंडस्ट्री के लिए. हाउ आर वी गोइंग टू एड्रेस दैट?
See the answer to that, I go back to 2-3 points which I just now raised, right? शायद समझ लीजिए हमारा पास 10 kg का स्टॉक है. ओके, 10 kg स्मॉल एंड मीडियम. स्मॉल ही है, मीडियम भी नहीं है, स्मॉल के, राइट? तो 10 kg के लिए मेरे को 3 रोटेशन चाहिए. इसका मतलब है मेरे को 30 kg का सेल चाहिए. right? Now 30 kgs या 365, 36.5 kilos. 36.5 kilos का सेल का मतलब है मेरे को I think 100 grams per day सेल चाहिए, करेक्ट है? 100 grams per day सेल के लिए मेरे को कितना कस्टमर्स चाहिए? 5 कस्टमर्स, करेक्ट है? So I am not going to सर्विसिंग 3 कस्टमर्स, वो 3 को 5 करने के लिए मुश्किल है क्या? मेरा आजू बाजू रास्ते में 2 मिल सकता है. दो डिफरेंस इज दैट हमारा स्मॉल एंड मीडियम एंटरप्राइजेस में, आई एम नॉट सेइंग एवरीबॉडी, आई एम मेकिंग अ जनरल स्टेटमेंट, the customer relationship is missing. I'm not saying that you are not doing. You do customer relationship at a owner level. हाँ जी शिवराम जी आ जाइए, आपका पापा कैसे है, आपका मदर कैसे है, आपका बहन कैसे है, बट उसके आगे नहीं चलता है. एंड वो भी जेनरिक पे चलता है, पापा कैसे है, मामा कैसा है, बट दैट हैज टू मूव इनटू योर शॉप स्टाफ लेवल. Your staff is going to ask शिवराम जी आप कैसे हैं, आप कब आया था, बहुत दिन हो गया, आपको क्या स्पेशल चाहिए, 2 साल पहले आए थे, आप एक चेन लेके गए थे, आपके पास, हमारा पास कुछ स्पेशल अंगूठी है, या आपका बर्थडे आ रहा है, आप क्या खरीदना चाहते हो. That customer relationship is missing. I'm not saying that every big retailer is an expert in customer relationship, but at least they have got the system to work towards them. Those systems, if you put, point number 1. Point number 2, when I do staff training, I give this example, and I think most of us here are owners. I tell them that, if your salary is 30,000 rupees, every rupee counts. If my salary is 3 lakh rupees, I can afford to lose 300 rupees. Correct? Same example to us here at 10 kilos. If I am having 100 kilos of stock because I'm a big retailer, I can afford to have 33 kilos of golden furniture. Because वो 66 kilos में कुछ तो कुछ सेल हो रहा है. But है मेरा पास 10 किलो, उसमें 3.5 किलो is पुराना माल. That is not acceptable. Because you have only 3.5 kilos of dead, you're already having 3.5 kilos of dead inventory or golden furniture. आपका 6.5 kgs में, as a customer, you are not able to satisfy. That is the point. That has got nothing to do with my neighbor is 100 kilos or my another neighbor is 25 kilos. End of the day, I sometimes I joke also, right? Along with the owner, along with the staff, हमारा पूरा ज्वेलरी इंडस्ट्री का एक्सपीरियंस कितना है? 30 साल 40 साल का एक्सपीरियंस. आपके पास 10-15 किलो केजी साल का एक्सपीरियंस है, मेरा स्टाफ के पास 3-4-5 साल, 25-30 kilos, 30 years of experience, and the customer wants one chain, and we are not able to sell, right? That is why 66% conversion. So if you fix the inventory, fix the customer relationship, I don't see any reason why you will not go from 3 to 5 customers. And 3 to 5. So rather than look at the big picture, oh my God, so many consumers are there, so much competition is happening. If I break it down, finally, what are we talking? 3 to 5. Possible? Yes, sir, possible. 30% of my dead inventory, can I clean up and get good stuff? Yes, it is possible. Can I build a relationship with my customer properly using technology today, or even pen and paper? We have done with pen and paper. Possible. If I do the ABC, can I not do my 36.5 kilos in a year? I'm possible. Then am I happy? Which is the original question, incidentally. Happy New Year हो सकता है? मुश्किल है, आसान तो नहीं है, लेकिन मोटा-मोटा हो सकता है. Right? मेहनत करना पड़ेगा. What will not work is continuing to do what we did last year. इसका मतलब है कि 33% डेट इन्वेंट्री रख सकता हूँ, कस्टमर के पास रिलेशनशिप का जरूरत नहीं है, right? I don't care whether she comes or not. I only will say hello to her once in a way. वो नहीं चलेगा गाड़ी. Then we are all in trouble. That is the message. I mean, end of the day, that's the message. And like I purposely put that 120 years का lifestyle का lifespan का slide. You also have to think next 10, 15, 20, 30, 40 years क्या करेंगे हम लोग? Right? That's not an easy answer, right? right? So that's really what it is. Somebody wants the link. We'll put the link, Ajay. Right. So basically, that's really what Happy New Year, new opportunities, and problem solving is all about. Depending upon what more you people want, you can all communicate to Sahil ji and all the 3 S's, or to me, and we can do another session like this, right? And what I believe is once a month, one session like this. We have taken what, 2 hours, 1.5 hours. Is enough work to do for the next 30 days, right? Next 30 days में कुछ काम करके आ गया तो उसके बाद बोलेंगे सर हमारा इन्वेंटरी का प्रॉब्लम, let's work on the inventory, right? Then come back and say sir मेरा staff का प्रॉब्लम है, चलो we'll give you some suggestions on staff, right? No, we go back and say sir मेरा customer relationship का प्रॉब्लम, we'll work on customer relationship. So what happens is we have got 30 days to go back and dig deep, right? And then come back and say, okay, ये हो गया, ये नहीं हुआ, ये हो गया, ये नहीं. Okay, sir. Everybody.
Very interesting session, and I hope कि जितने लोगों ने attend किया उनके लिए फायदा ही होगा definitely, and they'll be also be coming back with more questions. And I would also would like to welcome Abdul Nazar ji जो South से हैं हमारे, and he would like to say word of thanks. Abdul Nazar ji आप हैं ना? अब्दुल नजर जी, निनाद अब्दुल नजर जी हैं? Yeah, आइए.
Yes, good evening.
Namaste. Abdul ji, we can't see you. Audio.
Good evening, all.
Good evening.
Respected Vice Chairman Shivamshu Mehtaji, Shivaram sir, and all friends. A big thanks to all who participated with the 74th Labam program. Respected Sri Shivaram sir, who took a very interesting class, how to turn the challenges facing in our industry into opportunities. My sincere thanks to Shivaram sir for this kind of class. On behalf of GJC, I once again thanks Shivaram ji. My sincere thanks to Shivamshu Mehtaji also. He is one of the inevitable part of our industry, MCX, the bullion head. This, I once again thanks to Shivaram sir, Shivanshu Mehtaji also. My sincere thanks to our Sanjay Agarwal, Sahil Mehraji, the entire GJC team, and all who are participated in the good Labam program. Thanks to all. Over to Sahil ji.
Yeah. Thank you, Abdul Nazar ji. Thank you very much. And we had a very interesting session. And I think so. अभी हम ये session को यहाँ पे close पे लेके आते हैं. And we'll rejoin for the next. उसका आपको information दिया जाएगा. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.